Hello. Hello, everyone. Happy Monday. It is Monday when I'm recording this meditation live, and I am really excited to start another week. I love Mondays because it means that more of you are online to connect with, and I can start doing work and sending emails and moving ahead with projects. So I'm really excited to connect with you today. It also happens to be a day, though, that I am homeschooling my kids for the first time because of the coronavirus, COVID-19. A lot of the schools across the United States and around the world are closed. So we have our kids home and in social isolation for the first time ever, like in our lives. Most people have never experienced something like this. So it's an experiment for sure. I want to share some positive words with you today. They are inspired by a quote that a wonderful woman named Gina, that is part of my private community here on Facebook, the link is in the video description, she shared in a post in the group this morning, and it really touched me. I shared it on Instagram, and I want to read it to you today. I'm going to get you into a nice calm state of meditation, and then I am going to deliver that as a gift, as a shared gift, because I received it and now I want to pass it on, and hopefully will touch your heart and help to ease a little bit of tension that you might be feeling right now. So welcome, everyone. Remember to comment with your requests and your ideas, and just say hello. And if you're old school, you can go ahead and throw up the paws up emoji from back in the Periscope days. I miss that. We got to bring that back. We got to bring that back. All right. So first, if you've never meditated before, you're cool. Oh, and I'm Rebekah Borucki. Hello, Mama 5 meditation guide, author. Take a nice big inhale and exhale and settle into your easy or comfortable seat. A lot of you are home right now on your couch. Maybe you're sitting in bed or on the floor, at your work from home desk. Some of you are at work, out running errands. You can do this anywhere. You can do this anywhere. Just be still and connect with your breath. Close your eyes if that feels safe and comfortable for you, or leave them open and softly focused on an object, a spot across the room, a place on the floor in front of you, right past the tip of your nose. Your meditation practice is yours to create, so always, always be physically comfortable. There's no need to strain in any position. No need to cross your legs or sit up straight. It's for you to create and enjoy. From the top of your head all the way down to your toes, I want you to scan your body slowly, releasing any physical tension, any muscle tension that you might be holding onto right now. Start with your forehead, allowing it to be smooth. The muscles behind your eyes, you can touch them, run your finger along them just as a physical cue to release. Your jaw, your shoulders, let them fall. So many of us suck in our bellies all day long. Let your belly be soft, round. I just had to release there. I was holding mine in. Open your hands like starfish and then soften. Just scan your body. Wherever you're holding on to tension, just let it go with your exhale. Settle in, settle in. Allow yourself to bring in good energy with your inhales and release any tension and settle into your seat with your exhales. Let's try that together 3 times. Inhale. Exhale, release. Inhale. Try smiling. Exhale, release. Movement is fine here. Inhale. And exhale, let go. Stillness doesn't mean perfectly still and not moving. It's a state of mind, just as silence is a state of mind. Hear your breathing. Observe the noises around you. I can hear birds singing. Sway back and forth and side to side in your seat. You are still in energetic stillness. You are creating an oasis of peace and calm for yourself. That is stillness. That is silence. I want you to lean into that idea of peace and quiet, of stillness and silence, even in the midst of movement and noise. While I give you this offering, these words, shared in my group today as a gift and passed along to you as a gift. Continue to follow your breath, your easy and natural inhales and exhales, and listen. And the people stayed home and read books and listened and rested and exercised and made art and played games and learned new ways of being and were still. And they listened more deeply. Some meditated, some prayed, some danced, some met their shadows. And the people began to think differently, and the people healed. And in the absence of people living in ignorant, dangerous, mindless, and heartless ways, the earth began to heal. The earth began to heal. The people healed, and the earth began to heal. And when the danger passed, and the people joined together again, they grieved their losses, and made new choices, and dreamed new images, and created new ways to live and heal the earth fully, as they had been healed. As they had been healed. Breathe into that understanding that in the midst of all of this, in the midst of chaos and loss and grief, of breaking down, of destruction, of dismantling, that new things will emerge, will be born, new ways of being will begin to take root and grow. And if we nurture that with our attention, with our love, with our care, if we nurture that, if we nourish those seeds, We can create a new world. It's possible if we all believe. Anything is possible if we all believe. If it feels good, place your hands one over the other, over your heart space. Connect with your heartbeat. Observe how it changes with your inhales and exhales, how it quickens and slows. Accept this as an affirmation of your good health, of your worthiness and purpose of being here, of your knowing that you are here on purpose, made with a purpose by a divine intelligence, a divine creator. We are here to live through this, to survive this, and to change this. One more big inhale and exhale before we wake ourselves up to be together again. Inhale. Exhale. Flutter your eyes open. This is my favorite part. Hello, dear ones. Hello, my family, my Bliston community, my people. I love you so much. I'm going to run back to my family, my 24 kids that are waiting downstairs for snacks and waiting so patiently in silence for me to finish this. I say this almost every time. Got to make it a better habit. I appreciate you showing up for me because it inspires and compels me to show up for you. This is medicine for me. This is medicine, this community, this connection. I hope it is medicine for you. I affirm 3 times to really seal it in. I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you soon. Share this with your friends. Hit that share button. I need the love. And the world needs more love, right? And hit the links in the video description. And if you're catching this on replay on YouTube and IGTV, say hello. Still give me a pause up. I am because you are.